Hey guys, so recently I had a conversation with a property investor on the channel on how anyone can start investing in property. He shared a lot of strategies on how anyone can start investing in property, but one strategy that a lot of people connected with was how to invest in property without owning a building, especially if you are earning like 3.5 to 5,000. So one question that we had was, bruh, I've heard you. I know what you've just said, but still, I don't know where to start. Can you please break it down for us? Which platform can we use and how to start? How much can you start with? And what are the things to look out for? So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you guys. So if you are interested in investing in property without owning a building, please make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to be dropping gems all the way. So I hope you're excited because I am. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to it.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Play Store, search for Easy Equities, download the app. Once you are done, you want to go to register if you don't have an account yet. Fill in your details. You want to start with your email, then the username that you want to use, then the password that you're going to use to log in. Then press register. Now, once you're all set up with your registration, you want to use the same details to log in. Now, once you're inside, you want to look for Easy Properties. That's where you'll be able to invest in property. The first thing you'll have to do before you're able to access this platform is to activate this platform.
Okay, now I'm super excited for you because you've taken the first big step. You've installed the app, you've activated your account, and now it's time to get our hands dirty. But before we proceed, please make sure to subscribe. If you're getting value out of this, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share feedback. Now, let's go to the big moment.
So once you are inside, you'll start seeing these properties that are being listed. There's two ways to buy these properties. There's ones that are being listed as IPOs, which means initial public offering. These are properties that are being listed for the public to buy. Then there's auction. These are properties that you buy through bidding. Okay, now the first thing you want to do before you do anything is to study this platform, learn how it works. I will try to explain almost everything, but still it is your responsibility to make sure that you get as much clarity as possible. So if you feel confident now, you are ready to invest, you want to go to invest. So once you are inside, you want to check all the properties that are available, where they are, the value of these properties, what kind of properties they are, because gunema student accommodation, gunema commercial, and also gunema residential. So you want to check and find something that resonates with you. Now the big moment is here. How are you going to afford these properties? I mean, it costs 11 million, for Christ's sake. So this is how it works. Lama properties, the value of these properties have been fractionalized. Remember, you are going to buy these properties through IPO, which means you're a company that is going to be responsible for collecting the money to buy these properties. So what they do, soon as the money iphelele, they are going to make sure when you buy these properties, you're not buying the whole thing. You are buying a piece of these property. Ne? So let's say you have 100 rand, you are able to buy a piece gulo 11 million law. You're not buying the whole thing, you're just buying a piece of the value of the property. Ne? So how does that look in real life? Let me show you. So there's no limit to how much you can start with. Let's say I have only 100 rand to start with. So this platform has been designed for people who spend millions on investing in properties, so that they are able to start with whatever they have. So as soon as you've ticked a little box, you want to go to this box. It will calculate, it would say how much is your investment value, the cost of investing in that property, it's 122 cents, and the total amount that you're going to pay, it's 100 rand. So as soon as all the numbers make sense for you, you want to go to apply for an offer. Remember, these properties are being bought by a certain company, then they distribute shares to individuals who are able to invest kuleyo property layer through Easy Properties. So as soon as you press apply for an offer, you will get a feedback after the property where after everything has been transferred. Then now you'll get all the details. Goods, okay, how much how are you going to get my rental dividends, and normally you are going to get you're going to get paid through my rental dividends and capital gains when they sell my properties now. So normally they hold these properties for 5 years. So after the 5 years loyal, if they have met le goal yabo ukuthi they want the property le ibe in this value before they sell it, then after they sell it you're going to get a piece of a profit out of the money labayendile kule property leyo based on the investment loyendile nabo, ne? So I hope guys you've been inspired. I hope you learned something out of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, question, whatever it is. If you still have questions, just leave them in the comment section.